Okay, first thing I see is a 1 right here, and then I see a pointing pair of 1s right there, pointing pair of 1s right there. What else am I making out here? I see a lot of 4s going on. All right, and let's see here, 3s, and let's see the 4 and the 4 makes this a pointing pair of 4s, and 4 and 4, so I can solve that for a 4, and I can solve this for a 4, and I can solve a 4 for right there, which makes this a clean pair of 4s. All right, we got off to a good start. Greetings, friend. I'll show you how to solve the rest of this puzzle. Wait for It by Riff Clown from the Wild West pack. Click on the link below if you want to try this puzzle yourself. I'm going to explain all those expert Sudoku tips, tricks, and strategies as I do it. And with that, it's solving time. Each of these puzzles have been pretty tough. Wait for It. I see a lot of 4 starting off, so that might be something to do with that 4 in there. And the 8s, there's only 1 8, so I think the key of this puzzle is going to be being able to crack where I can put 8s into this puzzle here. So, okay, I got the 5, and this 5 means this has to be a 5 right here, which means I can put a 5 right there, which is nice. And then I got 2 spots for a 5 there, and then the 5s are a pointing pair here, and because of 5, 5. And in case you're not familiar, this is Snyder notation. There's only 2 possibilities for a cannon and a block, 3 right, 3 block. I'll make those marks, and by pointing pair, it means that the 5s are limited here in block 7 to column 1. So a 5 can't be anywhere else along column, so no 5s can be in that spot. And so it's going to limit the 5s to 2 spots up here in block 1. All right, but I can actually solve for a 5 up there because of these 2 5s. So if I looked ahead, I could have made that solve a little quicker. Put a 5 right here, and now we're going to solve this for a 5, that for a 4, and this for a 5. Making great progress to start here. I've featured some Riff Clown puzzles before, and I will put one of those at the end here to kind of let you check out. Very fun person to collaborate with. This Wild West pack's been great so far. Hope to feature a lot more puzzles from it. See, I'm noticing the 1 to 9, the 1 to 9 means that this is a 1 9 hidden pair. So I'll make that mark. And then this 8 is going to be a pointing pair right here. Maybe this comes into play. Don't know. Don't know. But what else do we have? 1, 4, 5, 9, 1, 4, 5, 8, 9. Okay. And then across here, now we got 2, 3, 7, 8, it looks like. And it doesn't really help. Yeah, no, it doesn't really help. Okay, other than now I'm noticing with these 7s, I can mark and solve for a 7 right there. Makes the 7s one of those 2 spots. Okay, and then the 7 is going to be a pointing pair up here. So the 7 comes across row 5, those 2 7s. So that means the 7 can't be here or here because of these 7s. It means I can solve for 7 right there. And then 7 is going to be one of these spots. 7, 7. 7 is going to be one of those spots right there. Interesting. Okay, let's move on. Not really seeing, I mean, I've been making some good progress, but not really seeing stuff just jump out of here. I do notice there's a naked triple going on. These 3 cells have to be a 1, 2, and a 6. I got a 1 and a 6, so I can actually solve that for a 2. Leaves that as a 1, 6 right there. And this is going to be a 3, 8, 9. Let's put that in there for now. All right, I'm going to probably start filling in some of this grid because I feel like I'm kind of running low on the Snyder rotation. I expect this puzzle to be a little bit harder than to do just by Snyder alone. 2, 3, 7, 8 coming down column 3. Let's fill that out. 2, 3, 7, 8. That is not a 7. This isn't a 7. That could be, and that could be as well. All right. What about over here? What we're looking for is 1, 2, 6, 9. So 1, 2, 6, 9. That's going to not be a 1 or a 9. So we got the 2, 6 there. Any other restrictions? Not at this time. All right. And looking here, 2, 3, 6, 7 coming down. 2, 3, 6, 7. This can't be a 7, and this can't be a 6 or 7. So that's a 2 or 3. Nice. And then we got 2, 3, 8 to finish off the bottom here. 2, 3, 8 for now. Okay. What do we got up here? 1, 2, 3, 8. So this is going to be a 3, 8. Yep. And, oh, so look right here. I got a naked triple. That's probably going to help us out there. So that's got to be a naked triple, right? 3, 9, 3, 8, 9. Limit those 3 spots, which means what we have left is a 4 and a 7. So you see the 4 right there. So now the 4 is limited to 1 spot. So let's first get rid of this naked triple. And then I can solve this for the 4, that for the 7, and then we can solve for 4 right there. Nice, huh? Alright, and how's that affect 7, 7? 7 is going to be in one of these 2 spots. Now that's a pointing pair, means this can't be a 7 anymore. So we can actually solve for the 7 right there. Nice. And now you got a 2, 3, 6 on column 9. Okay. Let's see. Did I get all the 4s? It looks like I got all the 4s, which is nice. 2, 3, 6, 8. This is a 2, 6, 8, and 2, 3, 6, 8. Okay, then over here, 2, 3, 6, 8, which means that whatever's left right here has got to be a naked single. And so you see the 9, and these 9s are pointing pair of 9s, also that hidden pair. That means we can solve that for a 9. Now I kind of missed that. But that means this is going to be a 9 because of this 9, and then now we can solve this for a 9. And we're making some progress. Alright, so we get rid of that 9 right there. These 8 9s are a claiming pair. Okay. Alright, making some progress there. What else can we do with this puzzle? I just feeling a lot more stuff, a lot more cells. Where are my restrictions? Let's look right here. 2, 3, 6, 8. 2, 3, 6, 8. 2, 3, 6, 8. Can I restrict that any further? Not at this time. That's crazy. Okay. How about across the top? Oh, I can get rid of that 7, which is nice. And now, there's only one place left for 7 in column 3. So we can solve that for 7. 2 spots for 7 here. Great. So 2, 3, 6, 8 across the top. This is going to be a 2, 6, 8, and this is a 2, 3, 6, 8. And I know I'm filling in a lot of these squares here. I just not really seeing where the break-ins come in. And just like the name implies, the 8s are everywhere. I have a feeling we're going to have to be able to solve one of these cells for an 8 before this thing starts unraveling on us. Okay. Let me look now across row 2. So it looks like 1, 4, 9. So this is no longer a 6. I get rid of that. So now you're looking at a 2, 3, 7, 8. And that can't be a 3. And right here, this can't be a 7. Okay. And then what we got here? 2, 3, 7, 8. Man, just not really trimming down at all. So 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. This would be a 2, 6, 7, 8. Wow. And this would be 2, 3, 6, 8. Huh. Okay. I really thought I'd be making some more progress. All right. Let's check this out now. One of the things I'm noticing, look at the 3s here. That's kind of they're limited. They're a claiming pair because they're limited in column 9 to these 2 spots. So this can't be a 3 anymore. So these 3s have to be in one of those 2 spots, and they have to be up here. So that means the 3s are actually limited to these 2 spots right there in block 7. So that means this can't be a 3, and that can't be a 3. And so what you're seeing now is a 2 8 naked pair, and so we can actually get rid of the 2 and the 8. So this is a 3 6 hidden pair, so we can get rid of the 6s here. Hopefully you're kind of following how that logic works as we kind of back into it. And so now with this 2 8 right here, this actually has to be your 3, and that's going to be your 6. Okay, that's helpful, because now this is a 2. And get rid of all these 2s. Nice. 2 2. Now what else are we seeing here? All right, let's look on and finish the rest of these blocks here. So across, well, actually, let's look at right in here. We need a 1 2 3 6 8. It's like 1 2 3 6 8. These can't be a 2 because there's 2 right here. These can't be a 1 because there's a 1 right here. 1 2 3 6 8. I think that's as far as I can get. Wow. All right. Is there anything else that I can do or eliminate looking at this puzzle? I'm looking, and let's see, 6s, 3s. 3s are kind of like a pointing pair there, but that doesn't really matter. There's not enough by cells to make any meaningful elimination. Now with this 3 here, I mean, I can get rid of that 3. That doesn't really help much, other than the 3s are limited up here in these 3 spots. Okay, not a big deal. All right, I'm going to start looking at candidates. I think what I've seen before in some of these is the like a swordfish type situation. So I'll see with the 9s. The 9s are kind of in these spots here. That's not going to be a swordfish. There's nothing with the 8s. I can't do anything with the 8s. What about the 7s? 2 7s here, 2 7s there. Nothing there. The 6s, interesting. Let me look here. 6s, 6, 6, 6s, and 6s. Let me get rid of these spots for the 3 6s we already have. Now, does that form a shape that we are familiar with? And let's see here. Nope. Nope, nothing to do with the 6s. How about these 5s? 5s are all filled in. 4s are all filled in. Let's go to 3s. All right, not much here with the 3s, but let's see what we can find. All right, I'm going here. 3 3 3 3 3 3. Get rid of the 2 3s that we see. Okay, whoa. Well, all right, let's color this. So let's make it purple, like purple. Okay, I see something that's pretty funky, and it's gonna help us solve this cell right here, 4 and 8. And that, I think, is the intended solve path, is to try to figure out what this cell could be right there. Yeah, I think so. I mean, it's, figure out what an 8 is. So I'm going to show you what it is I have found. It involves rows 2, rows 5, and rows 8. 2, 5, and 8. So let's color those. What you have here is called it looks kind of like a swordfish, right? Except that this cell and this cell are a little off. So this is actually called a sashimi swordfish. Sashimi is like a swordfish, but in one of the blocks, a cell will be, in the block would be misplaced off to the side. And but what you can do is you can still solve within that block. You can eliminate right here that would be in the normal swordfish pattern. The reason I'm picking this as one out of place, because if I pick that out of place, you'd be eliminating this cell, and that's no value to us. And so here's what I mean. This right here basically cannot be a 3. And I'll show you what would happen if you made this a 3. If you made that a 3, then this couldn't be a 3, right? And so I'll just get rid of the color. So that can't be a 3. So then what you would have is in row, and then this right here couldn't be a 3, so I'll get rid of that color. And so you'd have in rows 2, 5, and 8, 3 places that need a 3, right? Rows 2, 5, and 8. But there's only 2 places you can put the 3s, row 1 and 2. You break the puzzle. So that's why this right here cannot be a 3. So let's go back to what we did right there. And we can eliminate, and so what you're doing is you're looking right down this spot right here. Okay, so that's Sashimi Swordfish. Like I said, this right here cannot be a 3. We can solve that for an 8. And so let's get rid of all these colors, because I think that has got to be the key to getting through this puzzle. That's got to be it. Riff Clown, if you watch this, you let me know if that was the key. Because once I do this, that can't be an 8 anymore. This right here has to be an 8, right? Okay, if that's an 8, that's a 2, that's an 8, that's a 2. Get rid of the 2-8 here. Got the 3 9s there. And now, got these, let's get rid of those 2s. And let's get rid of these 8s. And this now has to be a 3, and that's got to be an 8. Nice. Get rid of these 8s. There's a lot I'm going to have to kind of get rid of here. Sorry for the over marking of the spots, but I really felt like I had to get to a single candidate and kind of look at all of them before I could figure it out. And I was right. All right, there we go. So that's 3. Let's look across here. This is 8. That can't be an 8. And since that can't be an 8, where's the only place left for an 8 in row 4? It's right here. That's got to be your 8 right there. Nice. 2 6 3 6 2 3 7. Okay, 1 2 6. Let's look here. Got this 2. That can't be a 2. That can't be an 8. This can't be a 2. These can't be 8s. All right. 8 8 8. 1 3 1 6. Where can the 8 be here in column 4? It's got to be right there. Which means this now has to be an 8. Which means this is 7. And then you can go back and get this other. There's only one other 7, remember? And so now we're cleaning that up. Make those 2 3s. Okay, we got this 8. Get rid of that. Did we get all the 8s yet? No. Here we go. 8 and then a 2. All right, now 2 is going to help us out by getting that 6 up there, which is 3, 2, 6. Okay, 3 6. That's got to be a 2. That's got to be a 3. All right. 2 3 6. 3 6. All right, making that progress that I like to see. 1 2. Okay, what's left here? Got the 6. This has got to be your 1. A 9, a 1. Nice, Riff Clown. I loved it. I loved it. I'm loving everything in this pack. Thank you. Give a shout out to Logan Wall, who put the pack together and said he didn't mind if I started featuring some of these puzzles. I've really enjoyed these. So if you want to see another cool solve of a Riff Clown puzzle, check out this video. Don't forget to buy me a coffee link. Thank you, Riff Clown, for letting me feature puzzles on this channel. Thank you so much for watching.